Funyye Glitter Liquid Case for Samsung Galaxy A7 2018. Stylish by Funyye is one of the best sellers among baby absorption sleeves products. Perfect fit, specially designed completely for Samsung Galaxy A7 2018. Quick send design, infused with liquid and glitters, tightly sealed process. The inside glitters float freely when you move your phone, just like the stars floating in the water. Will make much fun to you and your friends or children. High-quality materials, made of high-quality rubber silicone TPU material, beautiful and interesting shape, soft texture, comfortable grip, ultra-thin anti-drop, very durable. Provide protection, protect your phone from scratches, fingerprints, dust and dirt. Silicone TPU prevents accidental drops, improving the cleanliness and safety of your phone. Package include 1x phone case, 1x free screen protector, perfect protection for your phone. Description: 1. Brand new and high quality. 2. Specially designed completely for Samsung Galaxy A7 2018. 3. Ultra thin and light excellent material TPU, comfortable feeling grip. 4. Free gift screen protector, increase protection of your phone. 5. Easy to install and can be removed anytime. Access all buttons with the case, and the size is comfortable for you to catch. 6. Extreme simplicity of design, lightweight and portable the same time to spare your phone perfect protection. 7. If you have any question, please feel free to contact them. 8. Package include 1x phone case, 1x free screen protector,